In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Additional Settings. Select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!